I bought this the other day and I just started this binding and I thought I am going to get this out and figure it out. This is the Binding Eaze by Quilted Heartz. They were at a quilt show and anyways, let's give it a try. Oh, here's your instructions and I just tore them apart. Fold and press a few inches of your binding, feed it through the side loops on the map, set the iron, slowly pull the binding while keeping the edges, and then it will press it without having to move your iron. Oh my gosh, so this totally intrigues me. And I know they've been around for a while, but sometimes I'm late in picking up these fun notions. So here we go. All right, I got to get it out of here first. You know, I am using my cheap Sunbeam. I have an Oliso as well. So if you have an Oliso that has the pop-up legs, then you definitely need to turn those off. So folding the binding in half, I am pulling it through. There's a loop in here. You can see it on the other side. Grippy side goes down. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to have the point to me or a point out. I guess we iron like this, so I'm going to put the point out. I already started this line, so it's already to the shape. So seriously, this is what I do. I'm just supposed to line this up and pull this through slowly, it said. Okay. Okay, I don't mind this. I don't mind this at all. I probably could go slower, but I'm feeling like this is okay. Here's my first junction. Okay, I'm going to check this. Woo! That's hot still. But do you know what? Underneath is not terrible. No, it's hardly anything at all. Okay, I've got all of this binding to do. So I am just going to continue to feed it through. First though, I need to press my seams open because I only did that first one. So I need to go through and do this first.